If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Right now, we're going to be checking out S2, No Ticket for Haters. I did check out S2 last time. We're checking it out again. I haven't kept up with S2 like in a while, I feel. It feels like it's been a minute. Without further ado, S2, No Ticket for the Haters. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Oh shit, he's talking to the haters too. Whose car is that? Is that a Porsche? God! Sorry, why did that scare me, bro? I don't know why that scared me. We're not the same race? Okay. Oh. Hey. Oh, he flexing. Hey. Man, he talking to the parents too. Hold up, he talking to the parents. Let me hear you. Let me hear you talk your shit. Y'all parents have thought you so well. They just jealous, I guess. My time not free. Damn. Who the hell are these other people in the background? Hey. Hey man, keyboard warriors are just so annoying, bro. I understand that. Better back off, I smell broke. People like you just piss me off. I just fuck you up. But you think about it, I'm a accomplice. Oh. Hey. That got like a little Pop Smoke feel to it though. Like with the beat too. Hey. S to the sunset, you are not my target. I can make them go sleep in their coffin. I can make them go sleep in their coffin, yeah. What the hell? Need no aim, cause nothing and a person. When you wanna come to test me, get a big money firstly, then you will try to get me. OTUC, homie, you so lame, I stack all the money. Don't believe it. He said you so lame, stack up the money, bro. Just check my statics, what the fuck, I don't care what you think about it. Tryna be to the best like a matic. Yeah, I'm deserted, I'm going to panic. All the haters entertain me, at the top, oh, you can't even see. I'm the beast, for me, comes along the high, when we show one for you, the yo city. Please show me your ticket. Hey. Where the fuck is that? I can't see. Hey. Damn, I kind of wanted to keep on going. No ticket for haters. I mean, true. Hey, man. Hey, haters are just fans, too, to be honest. They're just angry. I like to call it that. Like, haters, my haters, they're just angry fans. Like, listen, what's the difference? They check up on you. They comment on you. They share it, but just all in hate. They just angry. I don't know what they're angry about though, but you shouldn't let them bother you like that though. But you know, I don't know why people like. If you hate somebody, don't you want to just block them, or just like forget them? Isn't that like let's move on? I don't know. I don't get it. He laughs at them now. Yeah, I see that. Bro, I literally got jump scared in that one. My God. Like off the bat. Alright, S2. Shout out to S2. Shout out to all his fans too. Hey, yo, put a comment down below what you guys think of S2. No ticket for haters. And if you had haters, how would you deal with them? Seems like Asu just makes diss tracks. He's saying, hey, I'm way above you, so shut the F up, kind of ish. Or more than that, he's just laughing at them, kind of thing. Like, yeah, you're not on my level. We not the same. But anyways, focus on the fans, basically. All right, y'all. Put a comments down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre, and I'll see you guys to the next video. Peace out.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon. See you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.